So people find us mostly through our EcoSmart website, EcoSmartShades.com. We try to provide all the information they would need there. We love to answer questions. As a small business who does everything, we're very knowledgeable.
When I'm working with the customer, trying to determine what product they need, I think you really have to get them to drill down to what is the problem they're trying to solve. Is it the glare on my computer? Is it the draft on my window?
Eventually, they'll probably want to order fabric samples, and we send free fabric samples anywhere in the world. It gives you an idea of the colors, what it feels like, what you're going to be buying. We send those out, encourage people to put them through the ringer, so we start there. One of the things that makes customers nervous is, am I going to measure correctly? So before I say anything else, if you don't measure correctly, we are going to make the shade correct for you at our expense. That's called our measuring safeguard. Really, all we want you to do is measure your window frame in a few places, and we tell you exactly which of those measurements to give us. Once somebody's decided what they're ordering, they place their order through our website. It's very simple, or if they'd like, we'll take the order over the phone.
Once we get the finalized measurements and all of the design aspects, it comes to us in an order. Then we cut the tubing over there. We cut the fabric on this table, and around the corner there is our shipping bay. We ship all over the world, and I think that really surprises people.
The shades are shipped out to our customers. From that point, the customer should feel very, very comfortable about installing their shades. That's really one of the main concerns for people, and it's not always easy to get across how simple it is. It's very easy to install. The cell shades, for example, will have small brackets that you will screw into your window frame, and then you just snap the shade onto the brackets. That's it. Snap it in, done. And again, if anything goes wrong, we're here to help you out.